Hi everyone. Today in math we are going to find missing angle measures. We've done some of this work so far this year, so you'll be familiar with some of the work we do today. To begin with, let's think about benchmark angle measurements. What do I mean by that? Well, we know that a circle is 360 degrees. We know that a right angle, which is like the corner of a table, is 90 degrees. We know that a straight line, or a straight angle, is 180 degrees. When we hold these benchmark measurements in our minds, it makes it easier for us to figure out the measurement of unknown angles. Let's look here so I can explain to you more clearly what I mean. If this is a circle, we know it's 360 degrees. We have the measurement of this angle. This angle is 210 degrees. We're trying to figure out the measurement of P. That's the unknown measurement. So if I know this angle is 210 degrees, and I know a circle is 360 degrees, then angle P must be 360 minus 210. Let's look at number 3. This is a right angle. It's 90 degrees. This little angle here is 3 degrees. The measurement of W, angle W, would be 3. I know 3, and I know that this is 90. So 90 degrees minus this little measurement here of this little angle is 3 degrees, means that angle W must be 90 degrees minus 3 degrees equals 87 degrees. So when we're finding the measurement of unknown angles, one thing for us to think about is, what is a benchmark angle that I know the measurement of? A circle is 360 degrees, a right angle is 90, a straight angle is 180. I'll also have the measurement of one angle. All I'll need to do is take the measurement of this one angle, subtract it by the larger angle, and I'll be able to find the measurement of the unknown angle.